What's up YouTube? Welcome to this video. So the topic today is how can we take input from the user. So let's remove all of this, and what we need to do is we need to write console dot write, and we are not using write line right now to see how the console dot write works. And we will say that what is your name, and let us also write another console dot write to see the difference between write line and write. We will say so these two lines of code, and let's also write console dot read keys. So you can see the problem that there was no next line. All of my text was written in just one line. So that is why we use write line. Instead of write line, you can also do slash n. So this also does the same thing. It brings the cursor to the next line. We can also write double slash n. So after this line is finished, it will give two line breaks. So this is what we call a line break. Now after what is your name, we will greet the user. So we will write console.writeLine, but we can do it with a shortcut. CW, press tab, and here it is. But how can I take input from the user? I have asked what is your name. Now user will input its name. So let us use write line, and now I am going to take the user input. So to take the user input, we need console dot read line. So before proceeding, let's look at a real life example. Let's say I meet you, and you ask me what is your name, and I tell you my name is Hassan. So the next time we meet, you won't ask the name again. You would say, "Hey Hassan." So when I told you my name, you saved it in your memory, and next time you used it to greet me. So how can you do it inside a program? This is how you take a user input, but you also have to store it inside the computer's memory. So you use this kind of thing, and then you write the name greetings with a zero, and then provide the name. So this is a message, and this is what we call a placeholder. So whatever the user's gonna write the name will be shown instead of this placeholder. So if I run this program, it's asking me that what is your name? I am telling it my name is Hassan. Now it's greeting me, greetings Hassan. So now you know that how can you take a user input, remember the input, and use it later on to produce your output. So this is all for this video. We will understand what is this mysterious thing and how to use it further beyond in the next video. So this is all for the video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to the channel. See you next time.